everybody, welcome back to Mobile Detailing Edmonton. My name is Lance, this is Harley, and welcome to Joey's Place. Show us what you got going on here.
First part, you walk in, see the boss's race car. This is a funny car. It's had it for 18 years and it lives here, gets worked on here, and raced all over Canada and the United States. This recent project that got finished of ours, a 75 Duster, the full pro touring build for a customer here in Alberta who's had it since he was 16.
Holy cow.
So
that's awesome, man. Let's go see the back.
yeah,
That's something I like, man. Just look how the leather, everything, these guys, when they do their details, it's insane. This car is just built to the, seems like it's built to the nth degree. Just perfection everywhere. I love it. It's super cool. Okay, so we're in the metal shop. What exactly happens in this room? Where do you guys do to all these beautiful cars?
all the dirty work and all the magic at the same time.
Walk us through each car. What's each car and what stage is it in the build?
This is kind of what we start with, the 1970 CUDA. As you can see, it's just a shell in the metalwork stage on one of our fab tables. Same deal with the 1970 Charger. It's a little further along in the line with most of its mock-up done. And then we have a 68 Cougar and a 72 Javelin as well, all in the metal stage.
Okay, we're in the paint shop now, and he's going to walk us through some of the cars. Got ridiculously beautiful car here. He's got something hiding over there. It's just everywhere you turn here, there's a car that you will not see again. This place is Candyland for a car guy. It's like you're in a junkie's paradise. So walk us through what this is.
Yeah, I mean, we work on everything here. We have everything new, old, and in between. 71 Plymouth Roadrunner we finished restoring over a decade ago at one world's most beautiful Mopar and world's ultimate restoration in Vegas back in '07, and it's here for just a small repair. But this is the prep shop, all the sanding, body filler, all the dirty stuff before the paint stage.
All right, so this is the detail shop, and this is kind of where I've been working all day today. It's full of more amazing cars. I'll let him walk you through them because I don't know them all.
Yeah, so this is our main assembly finishing area, our clean area in a separate building where all the main assembly goes on. Fire breather Camaro, we did a collision repair on. There's a 69 GTO that was here for paint and partial restoration. An 06 Mustang that's here for paint, body kit, suspension, all the good stuff. A 63 Corvette Resto-Mod car, which was a huge build. A 49 Ford Resto-Mod build, and a hot rod back there that's going to be a traditional highboy.
All right, everybody, so the reason I'm here today is because of this gorgeous 67 Shelby GT500 Super Snake. This thing is redonkulous. I'm a huge fan of Caroll Shelby's. This is the second hood for this car. The original hood was taken off because it was autographed by Caroll Shelby. Passed away. It's very sad. He made some amazing machines. What we're doing to this one is we're going to be doing the ceramic coating on it. We're putting our Gyeon ceramic coating called Syncro. It's our 3-year coating. We're going to be putting the base coats on it. We're going to put the top coats on it and get it ready to be shipped back to Palm Springs for the client. again for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day as always. Don't forget to hit the like button down below if you like what you saw today. If you want to subscribe to us, we'd love to keep you on our channel and love to show you new footage that's coming out every week that we can't put it out. If you want to know about any products that we're using, it'll be down below. And if you have any comments, feel free to leave them. We love to hear your feedback. We love to hear what you think. If you want to know any more about this car, let us know. We'd love to tell you. All right, as always, thanks again. Have a great day.